If you want to know how I got this beautiful embroidery foul onto a $1 canvas bag from the Dollar Tree, stay tuned. Today's video is going to be very informative as I'm going to share a very beneficial resource with you all to help boost your sublimation and embroidery business. Okay. So, over the course of time, people have been asking me, what company am I using to do my sublimation and digitized foulings, right? So, that's for the custom things. There are some things you can get generically, but sometimes there are very specific things that customers ask us for. So where am I getting this from? And I'm going to share that with you all. The name of the company is called Z Digitizing. And I am going to share with you all zdigitizing.com is one of the world's leading embroidery, digitizing, and vector art service providers all over the world. They have this amazing website where you can find thousands of digitized designs in multiple sizes and in all machine format. They also have it where you can go in and get a free quote. So, right here on the homepage, under services, which is the very first tab, you can opt for embroidery digitizing. And here you will find, like, it went from this image here to this image over there. They're just showing you an example of what can be done. And then you have all the different options where you can choose like medium, you can do your different areas of how you want it to be sized, the file format, and your turnaround time. So if you need it urgently or what have you, just do urgent, send a note, and then a lot of the time they can get the quote back to you very, very quickly within 5 minutes. So they also have a lot of free designs that you can download without any cost. Just to test out their services. So if you go down to the bottom as well, you can find it. It wasn't the top, but this is where I find it, or this is where I like to go. But you go to free embroidery designs, and we just scroll down and look at here, all these images that you can get for free. And I think that that's pretty amazing just to try out how they do their digitizing. All right. So if we're going to start talking about the vector art, the service for that is also very amazing. And so whenever I'm going to print or sublimate a design, it requires artwork. Most of us are using PNG or SVG files that we're getting from online or we're purchasing from somewhere. But a lot of the time, if you just go to Google, because you can find a lot of those images online, it's going to be in a very small format. And when you make it larger, it gets very, very blurry. Okay, so here I'll show you an example. So under services for vector art, we can see how this is usually what those images look like, don't they? But you can upload that file here and look, they can make it look like this. Okay, so the resolution is not clear the larger you make your file when we're doing it on our own. So you need to be able to convert that to have a really good resolution to where you can size it into a large, as big as you want, or even as small as you want for whatever the needs are that you need. Okay. And it's a very complex process and it's very time consuming. So that's not how I want to spend my time. I want to actually just be able to craft. So you can go to the website and once again, request a quote here from the website. So here's an example. I'm going to show you an example of how I did Corey's shirt. Here is the image, and I'm going to pair it with this. Here's our image. So here's the final result. Denard. I think it's cute. What do y'all think? So it looks amazing. They never compromise on the quality and they make customer satisfaction their utmost priority. When I say like they get back to you immediately, they really do. So digitizing for embroidery, first of all, we need a design to be digitized. If we do digitizing by ourselves, then we need digitizing software as well. It's very expensive. And somehow we managed to buy it, then we have to spend much more time designing, digitizing your design. So, like, even with embroidients that you all are aware that I use, I typically don't really design much in there. I like to just import some files that I've found elsewhere that I've had someone digitize for me, just for the sake of time. So, like, I prefer to outsource my designs, and it's very inexpensive using the digitizing. And another thing is that, as you all know, everyone is not always very dependable or professional. However, when you're using a company like Z Digitizing, they don't compromise on your quality, and you can guarantee you're going to get the perfect stitch out. Okay. So I use digitizing because I've had an excellent experience dealing with them over a period of time, and they have never disappointed me. So as you all can see, this embroidered design of Corey that I got on a design file from digitizing, and it's stitched out perfectly with excellent quality. All right, y'all. See this? Show y'all how I made a Dollar Tree drawstring bag into this embroidered and vinyl customized spike holder. All right, we got sports season. It has come, girl. Like, we had our little break in December. Now it's time to get back to it, moms. I just want to share this resource. If you guys wanted to try to expand your business, try your new vendor for your business, then I think that you guys would like what they're doing here. All right. And we're also going to talk about some pricing, which is very reasonable. If you compare it other places, I feel like they have been one of the most affordable. I've had files embroidered for like $20 each, or excuse me, digitized for embroidery at a rate of like $20 each, which is kind of expensive. But Z Digitizing has given us a code, okay, April 50 off, where you will get 50% off on your design. So why not just try it this one time, whether you're going to do digitizing or you just need vector art for sublimation. So, you guys, please use that promo code, because who doesn't need 50% off on a product? And if you do purchase this and you use it for sublimation or you use it for embroidery, please, please, please come back and leave a comment and let us know how you liked everything. And again, thank you all so much for watching. And let's chat about it down below like we always do. Thank you all so much. And don't forget to use that coupon code. Bye, guys.